Cake is my weakness.
Welcome to Speak English with Hollywood.
Listen and repeat.
Cake is my weakness, along with speed and strength.
Cake is my weakness, along with speed and strength. Weakness refers to a state of being physically weak or lacking strength or power. It can also refer to a fault or flaw in someone or something. Example, she had a moment of weakness and told them the truth. Strengths mean the qualities or abilities that are considered positive. They can be physical, mental, emotional, or social. Example, one of her strengths is her positive attitude.
Strength is my weakness. Hey, quick question.
Strength is my weakness. Quick question?
How is strength my weakness? Somebody explain that to me.
How is strength my weakness? Somebody explain that to me.
And why would I need speed? Why would I need to be fast when I'm being chased by an enormous killer zebra?
Why would I need speed? Why would I need to be fast when I'm being chased by an enormous killer zebra? Chase. To chase means to follow someone or something quickly in an attempt to catch him. Example, the police chased the thieves through the streets. Enormous means very large in size or amount. It's the same as another word for like huge. Example, the enormous wave was the same as a small mountain.
Good weapons valet.
You're also a good weapons valet.
What does that mean?
Well, I think it means you carry my weapons in your backpack.
What does that mean? Well, I think it means you carry my weapons in your backpack. A weapons valet is a person who is responsible in handling of weapons. Example, a military weapons valet might be responsible for granting weapons to soldiers.
Can you give them to me when and if I need them?
And you give them to me when if I need them. And this was our journey today. And don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye!